This is my volcano experiment, and we mixed powder and
We mixed citric acid
citric acid
and baking soda
and baking soda.
and put it into our volcano that we made. Okay?
Yep.
All right, now we're gonna pour some water in.
Okay.
See what happens. All right, pour some water in. All right, that's enough water. Did the lava come up red? That's cool.
It did.
Very cool.
That's the volcano exploding.
You want to explain what you did to make the volcano? How did you make that?
Because I used a red color, and I put water in it, and that's how it makes it explode.
Maybe put a little bit more water, see if it explodes again.
Okay. It's just red coming out.
Okay. All right, well that was fun.
Yep. Yeah.
We'll dump it.
Yep. Oh, it's all red. I'll let you.